Sikat ang pagod na ball. Certifikan, nomor sebelas. 20 seconds remaining. And this is the number 3. Foul. Just number 18, to 10, bukan foul. Awareness of penalty. At ang penalty, warning. 12 seconds. 20 seconds sebenarnya sama. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Ang pagsusukan remaining. Ang kabutan na rin yung basira. Baka sila kabutan.